Hi guys, you are watching Go IT Center, and in this video I am going to show you that how we can install latest Windows 11 H2 onto the unsupported hardware by using Rufus, and most importantly without going into BIOS or without any changes in BIOS. So let's start the video. So first of all we have to go onto the Chrome browser, then we have to type Windows 11 download, then we have to click on that, and then we have to select our respected ISO, confirm it. Now you have to select the language, English United States, then confirm it. Then so sometime it happens, you will get an error, but no need to worry about that. We will do one more time. Confirm, and now you have the download option. So once you click onto the 64-bit downloading will be started instantly. So I have already downloaded the ISO in order to save the time. Now we have to download the Rufus. So you have to type onto the Google Rufus, and once you type the Rufus, then you have to click on that, and now you will have the first link. So once you click onto the Rufus, then you have to scroll down it, then you have to download the latest version. So once you click onto the Rufus, it will be downloaded instantly. So now you have to double click on it and open Rufus, and Rufus will be opened. So I have already attached my USB. So I have already attached my USB. Now I have to select that. You can see that this is my USB, and I have to select my USB. Then we have to select our ISO. So we have to go on to the download, and you can see that Windows 11 H2. So we have to double click on it. Now ISO has been selected. Now keep all the settings as it is, and we have selected USB, we have selected the ISO, all is good, and now we have to start. So keep this option checked as it is, and just you have to click onto the OK. So you can see that bootable USB has been started, and it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. So I'm going to stop this video. Once it is done, I will back. So USB has been ready. Now we have successfully created a bootable USB through the Rufus. Let's move on to the old laptop so that we can install it. So this is the Windows 10 machine, and you can see that this is very old PC, approximately 10 years old, more than 10 years old. You can see the condition, and now we have already connected our external drive, and after connecting this bootable drive, then we go into this PC, and we have to click onto this computer. You can see that now we have to click onto the drive. Once we click onto the drive, then we have a setup. No need to go into the BIOS, no need to first boot USB, no need to set first boot USB. You can directly install Windows from here. Just you have to double click onto the setup, and once you click onto the setup, you will get this window. You have to click yes, and so you can see that setup has been started, and it is currently being loaded. and it would take little time. You can see that it is preparing. So we are installing Windows 11 onto the very old system, and so it is preparing, and once it is done, then final wizard will be appeared, means main wizard of installation of Windows 11 25H2 will be appeared in front of you, in front of us. So finally we have this wizard. Then we have to click onto the change update settings. It is recommended you have to click on that, keep check mark it while installation, so that you can get update during the installation. But in my case, in order to save the time, I'm just click onto the not right now, and then we have to hit next. So it will take a little time. Now we have the license agreement, so we have to accept it. So it would take a little time. So just ignore it and hit accept. So it would take a little time. So you can see that we are installing Windows 11 Pro, because earlier my Windows 10 is basically a Pro version. So install Windows 11 Pro, keep personal files and apps as it is. Just we have to click onto the install. So you can see that Windows 11 25H2 installation has been started. So it would take around 45 minutes to 1 hour. Once it is done, I will be back. So guys, finally we have successfully installed Windows 11 25H2. We have successfully upgraded our Windows 10 to Windows 11, latest Windows 11 25H2, by keeping all the data same and safe without loss any data. So you can see that, and it is working absolutely fine. There is no speed difference, and absolutely fine. So thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends, and stay safe. And guys, request from depth of my heart that kindly subscribe my channel and forward to your family and friends as much as possible, because I am doing a lot of hard work for you guys. So a special request from my side. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. Stay safe. Bye bye.